What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to do a all keys lost on a Toyota H-chip keyed ignition using your AUTEL KM100. This is a 2017 Corolla. We're going to get started here. What I'd recommend first is take note of your security light. Should be blinking there. We want to make sure that's off. I'm going to take my key, put that in the ignition. We'll notice the theft light's still going off there. On our KM100, we're going to go to the immobilizer menu, and I've got my VCI plugged in, hardwired, and make sure that it's connected there at the top of the screen. I'm going to find Toyota. I'm going to try automatic selection here with our ignition on. There's our VIN. Now this vehicle is from the auction, so it's rather messy. It's definitely got some problems. We'll just hope that the key program goes in fine. So what I'm going to do here is go to control unit, immobilizer. This is a H-chip. It's got a bunch of options here. We don't have a working key, so key learning is not going to work. What we're going to have to do first is our immobilizer reset. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. Have to be connected to the internet for that. Now here it wants the driver door open. Got our door open, so we're going to go ahead and hit OK. How many keys do we want to register? We're just going to do one for now. Hit OK. Turn ignition off. Turn ignition on. Turn ignition off and remove key. Turn the ignition on, take our key, turn that back on, hit OK. Turn ignition off again and remove key. And hit OK. Within 120 seconds, insert master key, turn ignition on, wait 5 seconds, then quickly turn ignition on, back off 5 times until the security light goes out. It's solid right now. So we're going to turn it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to turn it off and on 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our security light's off. What I'm going to do is the ignition's off right now. I always hit OK while the ignition's off here. And we should be done adding our key. We'll go ahead and turn that on. Check for our security light. And there we go. So, like I said, this vehicle's from the auction. We're not going to turn it on at this time, but our key is programmed. What we're going to do here is get a number of keys just to see what it's showing now. Should say 1. Number of master keys is 1. So I hope that helps, guys. So what we did here is we did all keys lost 2017 Toyota Corolla. We did our immobilizer reset. There was no 16-minute wait. And then we completed the process and had to cycle the ignition on and off 5 times for the key learning to close out. Hope that helps. Thank you for your time.